Bitcoin update. All right. Welcome, everybody. Welcome. I'm coming at you from Tucson, Arizona, in my home. Where are you coming at us from? Let us know where you're coming at us from. If you're open to sharing and just being part of the community, be nice to say hello. So, what we have here on the screen is a look at Bitcoin on the 4-hour time frame. I'm going to make sure I'm doing a volume check. Let's see here. Go live anyway. Okay. Okay. Well, it should be working. Hopefully it is working. Okay. All right. So we are looking right here. We are looking at Bitcoin on the 4-hour time frame. What that means is basically each candle that you see, each one of those things on the screen are considered a candle. And each one currently represents a 4-hour time frame, right? And you can look at it on the 1-hour time frame, the 4-hour, the 2-hour, the 1 day, the 1 week, the 1 month. There's a lot of ways to look at it. Right now, I have it set up on the 4-hour time frame, and you can see that we have support and we have resistance. So I'm looking at support right around 58,200. Okay, I have a support area, and I have a resistance area of around 64,610. Right. So we'll see what happens. Things do change, and so so the temperature is going to change, and that's the whole thing. Is if you're interested in this category, if you're interested in Bitcoin or getting into investing in this area, digital assets, and you're really doing it at a great time. And so that's why I want to let you know that it's easy as 1, 2, 3. Now, what am I saying when I say investing in crypto is easy as 1, 2, 3? Well, we have a system. I'm a part of, if you look on the screen, you'll see Mastery IM Academy. The tool that we're using on the screen here is called Levels. Now, this is one tool. If you're a member of the Academy, you have access to the tool. You have access to this tool, and you can use it to your advantage, right? But Levels is a tool, right? Now, easy as 1, 2, 3. So we have 1. Okay, I'm going to tell you, then I'm going to show you. 1, we have pre-recorded courses. They get you caught up from now. If you don't know anything, in 2 hours, you'll be caught up to speed, right? And then also number 2, we have live mentors. We have over 100 different educators that teach on a schedule, Sunday through Saturday, in almost every, and you can have access to it no matter what time zone you're in, no matter what time zone. And then number 3, so we have pre-recorded courses to get you caught up, live mentorship every day, every week, and then we have strategies, right? Tools like Levels, right? Now, number 1, so now I told you, now I'm going to show you. Number 1, pre-recorded courses. If you look here on the screen, you'll see Stocks and Crypto course. We have 42 different lectures. I've already been through them, of course, and my goal is to go through them again, because you learn a lot. There's things that maybe I didn't catch the first time, and I want to really build a solid base. But I've already been through it. All you really have to do is go through it once. But if you want to learn more, you can, repetition. One of my mentors said that repetition is the mother of skill. So repetition, that's how I learn repetition. So I like to listen to it a few times, even 7 times. I like 7 times. Okay. So, but anyway, you have access to it right here. It takes about 2 hours to get through this course. This gets you caught up, right, on the lingo. Every area, gyms, hospitals, computers, every area of the world has its own little lingo. It's words and things that they talk about and that they use inside that area. Same thing with stocks and crypto. After these 42 little lectures, about 4 minutes each lecture, you'll be caught up to speed. You'll be caught up. Now, number 2 is we have, if this was your back office, you would go to the Go Live section. And now we have 5 different channels. Look at these channels: foreign exchange, stocks and crypto, e-commerce, social media, personal development. So let's look at stocks and crypto. Now, every Sunday through Saturday, if you're a member of the stocks and crypto, look at all these live educators right here. All these guys and girls on the left. People on the left here. Now, if you're a beginner investor, I would encourage you to perhaps consider starting with Curtis Cobain right here. Curtis Cobain. He has a portfolio watch, 10 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. It'll convert to your time on your back office. If you're on East Coast time, it'll convert to East Coast time. If you're on, another part of the world, once you put your settings in, it'll lay out the exact time he's going live in your time zone, right? But he has a wonderful portfolio watch class every week. That's a Monday. And I love it because it helps you build out a portfolio. And that's really one of the easiest, I don't want to say the easiest, but it's one of the first places you can get started in investing in digital assets like Bitcoin or all the other ones, because you want to build out a portfolio. That's the idea. You want to have your own portfolio, and he helps you lay out a very nice portfolio. I've gotten some very good ideas on how to build a portfolio from him, and my portfolio is well on its way to being built. I'd like to be further ahead, and I usually do always want to be further ahead than I am. But every week, every month, I invest a little more. Dollar cost average, not financial advice, but eventually it adds up. And so anyway, Curtis Cobain, just wanted to point that out to you. So that's live mentorship. Excuse me. So number 1 is we have pre-recorded courses. Number 2 is we have live mentorship. Then number 3, we have strategies. Now, look at all these. These are all different strategies. You can't even appreciate. You can't even appreciate it right now. But I'm just going to point you to 2 of I'm a member of both stocks and crypto and foreign exchange. So anyway, once you figure out what you want to be a member of, then we can go from there, right? But I like being a member of foreign exchange because I get Levels. Levels is a program I enjoy trading with. And then also 2 stocks and crypto, you get what's called SwipeCoin Scalper. That's an exciting program. So anyway, I got those 2 pulled up right now. So I just wanted to share those 2 with you. The SwipeCoin Scalper, which is this, and the Levels, which is this. Now this is Levels with Bitcoin on the 4-hour time frame. So it's really saying, the support area is a good place to typically buy, and the resistance place is a good place to sell. If you're trading on a day setting trading, scalp trading, day trading, swing trading. There's a lot of different trading. I don't want to overwhelm you with the types of trading. They're all based on time frame. You can have a trade that's only minutes long, and you can have a trade that's years long, and then you can have trade that's maybe a 4-week trade, a 1-week trade, a 2-day trade. So there's a lot of little nuances depending on what you're, how many days, how long you're interested in being in a trade, and it really is. I found personality based. So, and whatever your particular goals are, that's the thing is we want to find out what your goals are so we can help you achieve your goals in this area if you're interested in digging into the crypto world. Now, by the way, I am a representative of this academy. So if you join this academy, you're joining with me, and we have a whole family of other people that, we help each other. We have a Telegram group, and we share stuff, and we have all kind of support. There's a lot of support, if you're interested in that kind of thing. You may or may not be, and either way is okay. But this is a look at levels on the 4-hour time frame. That means each candle is a 4-hour time frame. That means you can look at the days too, like from here, from this spot here to about here. That's about 5 days. This is 5 days of activity. We've gone from here to here. We've gone from resistance to support in about 5 days on these channels. Now, this is a look at it. This is more, I would say, more of a few-day trade thing. So, you take a trade today, you might be in it for 3, 7, 10 days, perhaps, right? Now, this is called the Swipe Coin Scalper. This is a tool that you would have if you were a member of the academy. Now, this is something if you were trading on more of the daytime trading, minutes, right? This is a look. Now, these aren't here. Here's the candles. I had it on a line view. Each one of these candles, 4 hours. Each one of these candles, 15 minutes. So this isn't even a whole day. This is just like a few hours, right? Right here. Well, let's go back to the line view because this particular program works better in the line view. But I do have it boxed in, right? So my support zone on the scalp trading time frame, I have support down around 58,600 and my resistance around 60,900. So we'll see which way it's going to break out. I'm waiting on it to break above the green or break below the red. So we'll see what happens, right? But that's just a look, okay? So easy as 1, 2, 3. 1, pre-recorded courses. 2, live mentorship. Where'd they go? Live action. Go live. See, these are you go live options. You jump in there. Look at all these classes. Live mentorship. You get on these live mentorship while they're live, and you can ask them questions. And a lot of times they will answer you. Sometimes they might miss one, but most of the time they'll ask your question directly. So you have up and close access to these educators. These are professionals that are into cryptocurrency. They're into stocks. They're into other parts, into investing. They're into trading. You just have to kind of see which teachers and educators you connect best with. So by the way, if you're interested, consider collaborating with us. Let's go on this journey together, right? So that's about it. All right. I'm going to leave us with us right here. So I'm really kind of waiting when it comes to Bitcoin. I'm waiting to see how this chart plays out right here. Are we going to hold support and go up? Or we're going to hit resistance and come down? We're going to stay in this range. We're just going to kind of play with, I'm not financial advice, but these are the ranges that I'm working my trades and investments off of right now. So so if you want to take a snapshot of that on the 4-hour time frame, that's what I'm looking at. So, all right. And so PS, consider joining along. Join us in the academy and be a part of the family. Consider going on this journey together. It is a life learning process. It's not something you're going to learn overnight. I was told, and I believe this is a good rule of thumb, give yourself a year, year and a half on this journey, because it takes time to build things out. It takes time to dollar cost average and to build a decent sized portfolio and selecting the right things and understanding what's important to you and how much, what you're willing to, what you want to, where you want to put your, what do you want to do. So anyway, but it really comes to, I believe, finding out what's important to you. So that's where I'd like to start, and going over your goals, right? So PS, we are an academy. So just join the academy. Links inside the description. If you want to talk about it, my phone number is inside the description. Be happy to talk to you. I'm easy to talk to. So reach out, send me a smoke signal, and let's get together, right? All right. Appreciate your time and your energy. And remember, health is wealth. Without our health, what doesn't matter? Health is wealth, right? Health is wealth. Thank you, God, for my health. I'm so grateful for my health. Health is wealth. Cash flow is king. Cash is queen, and credit is freedom. So that's my jingle on my YouTube channel, Fitness and Finance. So I'm passionate about both fitness and finance. So remember that. Health is wealth. Without our health, what does it matter, folks, right? It doesn't matter how much US dollars you got saved up or investments or whatever we have. Without our health, our health is wealth. Our health is wealth. Health is wealth. Cash flow is king. We used to say cash is king. Well, my mentor says cash flow is king. So think about that. Cash flow is king. So health is wealth. Cash flow is king, right? We want to have that cash coming in, so we can build out that portfolio. Longest, from the way I understand it, one of our large determinants of our growing our portfolio is our income. We have to have a good size income so we can invest and do things with. So cash flow is king. Now, sidebar, there is a cash flow opportunity, a business opportunity with the IM Academy. Cryptocurrency and online education, there are huge opportunities right now in this space. And if you're interested in introducing this sort of thing to other people and growing your subscriber base, there's an income opportunity. So you can create your cash flow if that's something you're interested in. So if you want to increase your cash flow, you can become an independent business owner. And with hard work and dedication, you can create a cash flow from subscribers from the academy. So anyway, health is wealth. Cash flow is king. Cash is queen. And credit is freedom. And with that, I'll let you go and be blessed. I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.